Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add and remove from cart in Pandabuy, and this is actually very simple. First up, you head over to Google and search for Pandabuy and click on the first link that comes up, right like so. So now let's say you want to buy a shoe, for example. So we search up shoe and then you'll see a bunch of options will come up. Let's say that we want to buy these ones. So we click on this one. After that, let it load for some time, and then you could just click on this one, and let's say I have read and willing, blah blah blah, everything like that. So now you scroll down and now you see this option called add to cart. Just click on this one. Oh sorry, you have to choose the category. So let's say your size is M, color you want blue ones. Is there anything else? Nope. So now we click on agreed and then click on add to cart, and then it says added at the top. Also, you need to make sure you are logged into a profile. So once it's added, what you need to do basically now is head over to, on the right you see there's a cart option just here. So we click on this one and then it shows us our cart and all the items. So in order to remove it, you see something called delete. You can right click like delete here and then click on confirm, and this is one way to delete. But if there are multiple options, let's say this is one of them, and we choose the size, we choose the color, and then we click on add to cart, accept, and then it says added to cart. And let's say we want to buy this one. So now we have size, color, and then add to cart. Now you see it says added. So when you have multiple things like this and you want to delete all at once, you just select just like this, and then you click on delete, and you click on confirm, and then you click on delete. Or what you could do is just at the bottom you see remove selected and click on confirm, and then basically all of them would be deleted. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.